To the story now of that viral video yesterday of men trying to access the Gorge when the gate was locked. Our reporter Anthony Lugg went to the area today searching for answers. Here's what he found.
There was widespread condemnation on Monday after this video was released. It shows two men trying to break the chains of the gate at Damhead. This is a precautionary measure used by the National Works Agency to prevent motorists from using the Gorge when it's deemed dangerous to do so. We visited the area on Tuesday, and as it turned out, the men are residents of Old Road, which is about 2 minutes away from the gate. We were told they were not trying to cross the gorge, but trying to get home.
Remember, say people live around here, whether walk or drive. So we have to get around here, because if we go out, we really want to come back in.
We don't know near the bridge. It's just, yes, a damage, yes, sir. And we just live, the river now come nowhere, sir.
The location of the gate has been a concern for quite some time. In fact, residents have been calling for its removal and placed closer to the community.
Where that corner is, if the gate is right there at that corner, the river has never reached that height, so it won't pose a danger.
Despite the explanation given by the people, the danger from driving along the gorge when the Rio Cobra is in spate cannot be overstated. Tampering with state property is also a major concern. We asked Communications Manager at the National Works Agency, Stephen Shaw, whether the agency would consider moving the gate.
It is not a NAA thing, it is NAA, it is fire, it is police, it is ODPM, the residents. We all have to look at it, and we have done so before, you know. It is not that, you know, we have gone about doing this thing oblivious to the persons who live in the area and their issues. I mean, we are trying to save themselves, we are trying to save them in as much as we are trying to protect the wider Jamaican population from the dangers inherent in that particular space.
Meanwhile, the gorge remained closed up to late Monday.
As representatives from the NAA work quickly to bring some level of normalcy back to the area, motorists are anxiously waiting on both sides.
What about who no have no vehicle? And you have to take your foot from where on a river road? Figure up Core Market. From here, so figure Core Market at 2 miles. And me I get hauled when I can't walk so much mile again. I can't have a run, but me prefer swim.
It's a very bad situation. I know that there's a lot of silt coming down. The road is terrible. And I hope that they do something about this road. It's a very vital road. We need this road.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.